Whoa! Look at the rainbow! Oh no! The colors are gone! Explorer, help me bring them back. Ready? Let's go! The red star is hiding. Point to it. That one? It needs 2 claps. Help me! 2, red. Next color. Can you find yellow, blue, or purple? Where is it? It's too high. Jump with me. Jump! Again. Yellow! We need the blue key. Which one is blue? This one? Blue! Spin your finger to open it. Round and round. Blue! Uh-oh. Orange, green, and purple are still missing. Wait, maybe we can make them. Red plus yellow, green, or purple? Ready? Red and yellow make orange. Catch it. 3 steps. 3, 3. Now you decide. Yellow decide. Yellow plus blue makes green, orange, or purple. Let's see. Green! Yellow and blue make green. Reach high with me. Higher, higher. Got it. Final color. Final color. Red plus blue makes what? Purple, green, or orange? 3, 2, 1. Wow, look at that bubble. Help me shake the magic. Shake, 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 shake. We got it. We found them all, but they're mixed up. Which color should start our rainbow? Red? You're right. Which one is blue? Blue. Which one is yellow? Yellow. Which one is green? Green. Amazing. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. You saved the rainbow. Wait, a triangle, a square, and a star? What adventure is this? Come explore with Lumi again.